Designing a course that works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop can be tricky, but today I'll show you how to make it easy. Whether you're building your first course or optimizing an existing one, you need a design that adapts smoothly to all devices. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design a course that works on both mobile and desktop, without sacrificing functionality or user experience. First, let's start with the most important element, responsiveness. Your course should adjust automatically based on the device screen size. This is essential for ensuring that your content is easy to read and interact with, no matter if it's viewed on a phone or a laptop. If you're using a platform or software to build your course, make sure it offers responsive templates that automatically adjust for different screen sizes. Our software does this automatically for you, which saves you time and effort. You don't have to manually tweak settings for each device. Next, keep your design simple and clean. Avoid cluttering your pages with too much text or too many images. On mobile, everything feels more compact, so a cluttered layout will make it difficult for users to focus. Use larger fonts and clear headings for easy readability on both desktop and mobile. You also want to make sure your buttons and navigation are big enough to be tapped on mobile devices. Small buttons might be fine on desktop but can be a nightmare for mobile users. Another tip is to break your course into smaller sections or modules. Mobile users typically consume content in short bursts, so keeping your lesson short and to the point makes it easier to stay engaged. For desktop users, you can still offer a more detailed course structure, but ensure the modules are logically organized and easy to navigate between all devices. Make sure your multimedia content like videos, audio files, and images are optimized for both mobile and desktop. For videos, make sure they load quickly and are viewable in various resolutions depending on the device. No one likes buffering videos, and mobile users especially need fast loading times. Also, ensure that your images are responsive. They should resize based on the screen size, maintaining their quality and not slowing down the loading time. Interactive elements, like quizzes or discussion boards, should be easily accessible on both mobile and desktop. For mobile, ensure that these elements are touch-friendly. For desktop, you have more space, so you can use hover effects and advanced interactions, but always check how it behaves on mobile first. The next step is testing. Testing your course on both mobile and desktop is crucial. Many times elements might look fine on one device but don't work well on the other. Spend time testing your course on different devices to make sure the user experience is consistent. This is one of the main reasons I always recommend using this software. We've tested it across multiple platforms, and it ensures that your course will look great everywhere. Finally, make sure your course design is fast loading and optimized. Slow loading times are a major turnoff, especially for mobile users. You want to make sure your course content loads quickly and that your website is optimized for speed, regardless of the device. Key takeaway: to design a course that works well on mobile and desktop, focus on responsiveness, simplicity, and testing. Break your content into manageable sections, optimize your media, and ensure interactive elements are user-friendly on all devices. Before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've been using in this video. It's linked below in the description, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. Give it a try and start designing a course that works seamlessly on both mobile and desktop today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.